Let us look a problem here. A car of mass 1800 kg moving with a speed of 10 meter per second is brought to rest after covering a distance of 50 meter. Then calculate the force on the car. So if you observe here, the given data is mass was given, mass of the car is 1800 kg and the velocity of the car is, initial velocity we have to consider, that is 10 meter per second, and as it is brought to rest, so the final velocity will be 0 and the distance covered is 50 meter. So we have to find the force. To find force, F equal to m into a. Here we have mass but we didn't have acceleration. So to find acceleration, we will go for a equation v square minus u square equal to 2as. As we are having initial and final velocities and distance also. So v square is 0 now. So 0 square minus 10 square is equal to 2 into a into distance 50 meter. So we'll have 10 square means minus 100, that is equal to 50 into 2, 100 a. And here by this a equal to minus 100 upon 100, so you will get minus 1 meter per second square. That means the car is accelerating with minus 1 meter per second square. That means, so here F equal to mass is 1800 into minus 1. So you will have minus 1800 Newton. So that means to make the car to come to rest, the force acting on the car is 1800 Newton. Here the minus represents the force is in opposite direction. As the motion of the car is in this direction, the force acting on the car is in opposite direction. So that is F equal to minus 1800 Newton.